Welcome to the online review program for the UP College Admission Test, an exclusive online study tool free for buyers of the UPCAT Champion Plus CET All-in-1 Reviewer. This isn't just any review program. It's designed to give you everything you need to master every section of the exam with flexibility and convenience. No need to adjust to fixed schedules. You control your review anytime, anywhere, during the review period. With our self-paced online review, you'll get full subject coverage. From reading comprehension, language proficiency, and science to quantitative skills. We've got you covered. Expert video lessons. Watch video lessons covering the most frequently tested question types in the exam. Timed practice tests. Simulate the actual UP College admission test experience to build confidence and improve your test-taking speed. E-tests with instant feedback. Track your progress and identify areas for improvement with our interactive e-tests. Proven test-taking strategies. Learn time-saving techniques, how to eliminate wrong choices, and maximize your score. In this program, you'll watch video lessons designed to enhance your understanding. Once you've absorbed the key concepts, put your knowledge to the test by taking the e-tests. Each e-test comes with a timer to help you get accustomed to time pressure. After selecting your answer from the given options, you'll receive immediate feedback indicating whether your answer is correct. However, don't dwell on the feedback just yet. Stay focused on completing all the questions within the allotted time. Once you've submitted all your answers, you'll receive a detailed review showing the questions you got wrong, along with explanations for the correct answers. At this point, the timer is no longer active, allowing you to review your answers at your own pace. Once you get the hang of taking our e-tests, be sure to join the mock exams. Unlike e-tests, which are short quizzes focusing on specific topics or subtests, mock exams are designed to simulate the actual UPCAT. Our mock exams follow the official test format, featuring a full-length assessment with questions that mirror the difficulty level of the real exam. Please remember that this self-paced course is designed to supplement your other study materials. It's important to integrate this online course with your high school textbooks, notes, and a copy of the UPCAT Champion into your personal study plan. As some of you may know, the UPCAT Champion is a nonprofit organization founded during the height of the pandemic. Publishing the book became a source of income for displaced educators. In gratitude for the overwhelming support for our reviewer, a significant portion of the sales goes towards scholarships. Our pioneering batch of scholars and sponsored students who took the previous UPCAT successfully qualified for UP admission. We created a unique program for them, which we now intend to share with you. The self-paced online review program, interactive e-tests, and the UPCAT Champion book work synergistically to make this all-in-one package the most effective and affordable review solution available. Rest assured, by completing the program, thoroughly integrating the lessons from your study materials, and diligently finishing the e-tests and mock exams, you too can confidently earn the title of Iskolar ng Bayan. We wish you the best of luck on your journey.